many challenges in cleaning hydrocarbons. FFT Technologies laundry and oil remediation products offer an easy, reliable solution to meet these challenges and to help create a safe and healthy environment by utilizing innovative science and sustainable technology. Hydrocarbons are long-chain molecules which have a backbone made of carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms as side chains. They're all hydrophobic. The chain length determines the properties and the name and what we call them. Shorter molecules make up gasoline, the longer, diesel fuel, and even longer ones are motor oil and hydraulic fluid. Crude oil is a mixture of many hydrocarbon compounds. The derivatives of hydrocarbons are found in nature as well. Wax, for example, is basically a hydrocarbon with an ester group inserted. Plant oils are another example of natural compound hydrocarbons called triglycerides. All of them are hydrophobic and don't mix with water. These three material classes form oils, fats, and greases. In order to clean and remove oil, fat, and grease, for example, from cloth or during an oil spill, a way has to be found to mix oil and water. An intermediary molecule is necessary, one which carries both the apolar hydrophobic characteristics of oil and the polar characteristics which make it hydrophilic. Tensides, which act as emulsifiers and surfactants, are what make soaps and detergents effective against grease and oil. Tensides are a hydrocarbon chain with a hydrophilic head group. Since one end is hydrophilic and one is hydrophobic, they align at the water interface. Their hydrophobic tail anchors itself in the oil while reducing the surface tension and allowing formation of micelles. Micelles are tiny oil droplets stabilized by the tensides, which form a protective hull around the oil and encapsulate it so the oil can be dispersed in water. In the world of micelles, smaller is better. The smaller the micelle, the more stable it is, and the less likely it is to burst, releasing the oil. The proprietary formula of FFT products contains a range of tensides optimized for dealing with petroleum-based hydrocarbons, plant oils, fats, greases, waxes, and crude oils. The action of the tensides form a colloidal suspension made up entirely of small and stable micelles, which range from 20 microns to 200 nanometers, as bacteria-sized and smaller. Standard laundry detergents are optimized to deal with some common household fats and greases, as well as starch and protein stains. They are only minimally effective with large hydrocarbons, crude oils, fats, greases found in industrial, technical, and mining applications. Standard detergents form large micelles, which takes a bit of time. These large micelles are not very stable and can burst and recontaminate the fabric during the laundering process. And with the slow formation, there's often not enough time to properly clean a fabric in one wash cycle. The result? A half-cleaned, barely usable garment. An unsafe, unhealthy environment. FFT laundry products are optimized to handle technical hydrocarbons, crude oils, fats, and greases. Small micelles form quickly and are very stable, and they don't burst when colliding with the fabric, resulting in no recontamination of the fabric. Result: a clean, usable garment. A safe, healthy environment. A similar problem is encountered in the remediation of oil spills. In order to clean an oil spill, oil and water have to be mixed. With FFT oil spill remediation, oil spills are cleaned fast and securely. Of greater importance, FFT also helps to remediate the environment by bringing the oil into a colloidal suspension. In the soil and water, there are always bacteria, some of which digest oils, fats, and grease. The problem is size. The bigger an oil droplet or micelle, the longer it will take the bacteria to break down the oil molecules. Micelles produced by FFT oil remediation products are the same size as the bacteria and often much smaller. With the smaller micelles, the bacteria can break down the oil exponentially faster, convert it to a biomass and CO2, cleaning the environment much faster. FFT, a fast and easy, safe and reliable and sustainable way to deal with oil spills and to ensure a safe and healthy environment.